Now, in this special semi-automatic waypoint, number five, almost half a year with you in this semi-automatic project. In this semi-automatic project chapter, I am with the Paquitos. Paquitos and Paquito, unbelievable, okay? Before, I love this waypoint. The waypoint I want to explain you, I love. It's one of my favorite and I use in many of my tricks. But before I explain you the secret, I need to show you the trick. The name of the next trick is the pendulum magic. Okay? So I need you to shuffle the deck. Why the pendulum? Pendulum is like a pendulum. Okay, pendulum is like that. Pendulum. This is pendulum. Can you see? Really, I use the pendulum for nothing. I don't need. Do you know why I use the pendulum? I use the pendulum because if I put the pendulum in my pocket, now I have the power of the pendulum with me. Now I am the pendulum man. And with the pendulum man power, in this moment I can cut the packet in the deck in different packets. And because I am the pendulum man, I can know in what pile is, for example, any card you think, any card you take, because I am the power of the pendulum, because the pendulum is with me, okay? So, you shuffle the deck, we can shuffle again, doesn't matter. Paquito, take the deck under the table.
Okay.
Thinking any number you want, between 1 and 10. It's possible more, but for don't be here until tomorrow, 1 and 10 is okay. I need you know the number. So, Paquito, you with your finger, or you can pass the number to him.
Okay.
Okay, so you can count, and now you know the number.
Okay.
Yes? You count and you know the number. You know what is the number? The magic number. Okay, don't forget. So, see what is in your magic number.
Okay.
You remember you shuffle the deck. Okay. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta. Now you know? Don't forget, okay? You have the deck with you? I know you have a packet. No, put the packet on. Okay? And now tell me the truth, Paquito. Now your cards are in completely different position. Okay? But I know it's more or less in the top of the deck. It's one of the 20, but cut and complete. Yes? You know why? Because I am the pendulum man. I have the power of the pendulum. So I can do that. If I deal pile here one by one, not only is very boring. If I do like so, it's very boring because I need to deal 52 cards. Not only that, also it's possible to look like a mathematical thing. No. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3. It's like a packet. It's anything you want. Okay? You remember your card? Because I am a pendulum man. I only need to put my hands, and now I need to feel what packet is your card. You remember you shuffle. Okay. Let me. Here not. Sure, here not. Can you cut a little packet? Paquete pequeño, okay? Take with you, and you take this one, and now you know. You take the packet. You know the number, okay? Paquito, pass the same number, okay, from middle to the top, or middle to the bottom. El número mágico de la mitad arriba o de la mitad abajo. Coge tantas cartas como el número. Takes a card, doesn't matter, on top you want. You do the same, your number from bottom to top, for example. Okay, de abajo arriba el mismo número, you cut and complete if you want. Really, this is only for shuffle, because it's possible we do that. It doesn't matter. Square. It's only, oh, this shit. 1 second. Okay, it's possible like so. Very good. Very good. Cut and complete 2 packets. I am pendulum man. Look. Here not. It's good or not? It's very good. Let me to put a few cards more. Let me to put here. No, I don't know now. Here not. It's very good. Can you, if you want, can you cut? Your card is very high, middle or low number. Alta, pequeña, baja. I don't care, because I am the pendulum man. I don't need information. Look. Here not. Your card is not on the top. Your card is not the bottom one. It's not the top, it's not the bottom. It's completely shuffled. Here, this no. It's good. But now look. Now we are three. I don't know. Usually, you know, with the pendulum, when the pendulum is in circle, it's because it's yes. When it's in line, it's because it's not. So let me to do a circle. No. No. Let me to do something special. Let me to take the pendulum. Let me to and let me to. If it's circle, is yours? No. It's a line. No. Okay. Can you take? Can you take? Put on in any car. In what car you want? Okay. What car you want? This or this? No, no. But you put in what car you want to put. ¿Cuál quiere ponerlo primero? In this. Okay. Put. No, no. Take. And the static and wait. Wait. Mira, va haciendo circulito, ¿no? It's a little circle, I think. You can see. Yes. for the camera can see. Okay, let me 1 second. You can see. Then, if this is a circle, and we try here, if it's a circle or a line, no, this is a line. This is a line. This is no. This is completely line. This is very clear line. Very clear line. Can you see? Very clear. It's not your car. This is again. We try again. Look. What is your car?
Tag of diamond.
Tag on diamond. It's the power of the pendulum. I love. It's very good, huh? It's very good. Okay. This is a trick. The trick is only an excuse to explain you the weapon. The trick is very funny. It's very good. You can do the pendulum. You can do anything you want. Okay. This is.